Here we go with some harder negative number sums. Now I say they're harder because this time we have two signs in the middle, so we've got to do a little bit extra work to work out if it's going up or down. So for this first one, I've got a plus minus. Now if I have signs that are different, so plus minus or minus plus, it becomes a negative. So this sum can be rewritten as 3 take away 4. Now this is much simpler. I start at 3 and I go down by 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So my answer is negative 1. Let's look at the second question. Negative 2 take away negative 4. So if I have two signs the same, then it's positive. So in this case, this could be rewritten negative 2, put that in a bracket, plus 4. So that means negative 2 is where I start, and I go up by 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I end at positive 2. So this sum, the answer is 2. On to the last question, negative 3 plus negative 1. Now, the signs here are different. I've got a plus and a minus, so this becomes negative 3, put that in bracket as it's a negative number, take away 1. Now, negative 3, that's where I start, and I'm going to move down by 1. So my answer for this one is negative